There's something about the rain that brings back so many memories. Childhood memories. Not enough time for breakfast. Late for school. Rushing out the house. Forgetting my umbrella by the door. Dark rain clouds drifting about like runners loosening up for a big race. You can feel the moisture in the air. Moments later, a few drops. Then the rains came, showing no mercy. Falling on everything and everybody. Buildings, people, sidewalks, and cars. Some drivers love splashing water on you while waiting for the bus. Raindrops rolling off my face, soaking wet, finally getting to school. My mother was there. With dry clothes and my favorite umbrella. Changing in the boys' restroom, taking the wet clothes to my mother as she rolled down the car window, she said, "A hard head always makes a soft you-know-what." As a child having fun in the rain, not having a care in the world except for school, rain can be so relaxing, peaceful, and life-giving. But like sweet and sour sauce, it has a very sour side of death and destruction. As a child, it didn't matter. Finally, school was out, and a group of us decided to walk home. My grandmother would say, "The devil must be beating his wife." But as a child, I thought, he must have a lot of wives, 'cause there was so much rain. Everybody was trying to dodge raindrops without much success. Some of my friends lived on different streets and blocks. As we waved goodbye, I was thinking about all the homework my teacher gave us. As soon as I got home, I was going to knock out my homework so my weekend would be free. I peeled off all my school clothes, jumped into a pair of Levi's, gray sweatshirt, and white socks. I opened my bedroom curtains, watching and listening to the rain. Placing my nose against the cold window pane, I could see Miss Brown place her small indoor plant outside on the front porch. I could hear kids on the block saying, "Old Lady Brown was mean." But she was okay with me, especially when my basketball landed in her rose garden. She would toss the ball back over and say, "Practice more." I saw a spider hanging on for dear life in the corner of the windowsill outside. Raindrops ripped the web apart, washing the spider over the ledge. I wonder how babies would react to rain, trying to catch it by raising their arms or trying to taste it with their small mouths. I wonder what secrets raindrops hold. Nobody will ever know. Flipping through pages of my history book, I remember reading or hearing somewhere, whenever you turn a page of a book, that page is full of clouds. As soon as I found my lesson plan, my eyes closed. The sound of rain held my attention, wondering what it would be like to be a raindrop, sliding, bouncing, falling all over the place. As a child, my imagination just ran wild. But as an adult, oh how I miss dancing between raindrops. Oh, how I miss dancing between raindrops.